States.
Indeed, I can only say I'm disappointed. I thought I was going to see Nnamdi Kanu and certify that he's alive and breathing. But as it is now, we wait.
Are you worried that you can't see Nnamdi Kanu?
Why not? It's my son. And whatever situation, he is my son. And I don't know what they did to him in Kenya. And what I do to him now here in Nigeria, and how the court set a date, and the government could not bring the person they are accusing, the person they kidnapped from Kenya. They didn't bring him for trial. I think it's disappointing anyway.